How to draw a bird. So you're going to start out with 2 capitalized A's. Then you're going to draw like a heart as shown. So what I did is trace those so I can make it darker. By the way, I saw this on TikTok and wanted to try this out. So next, you're going to draw a circle up top. Draw like the beaks for each bird. Then you're going to draw the eyes. Like what I'm saying, this is super simple. Anybody can draw. I've been drawing for years, but I haven't picked up a pen and a piece of paper in a long time. So you're going to draw 2 lines underneath it. The length is your preference. Then you're going to draw lines underneath. So next, I'm going to draw the log or the tree branch in which they'll be sitting on. Like I said, this is super simple, which is an easy drawing. If you're done this video, do it me, and I want to see your drawing. Follow me on TikTok right now at realmisstill_. Click that plus sign. Follow me for more.